Hi guys, good morning, namaste, sat sri akal, adab, vadakkam, kem cho. This is day 6 of our trip and right now we are on the way to Peling. We are gonna cover a few spots on the way like Namchi, Cable Car, Chardham, etc. So let's see how many spots we are able to cover. And right now our first spot is Namchi. So see you at Namchi. The temperature is 28 degrees Celsius today and it's quite sunny. Hi guys, we are at the Chardham temple now. This is the entrance of the temple and there is a huge Shivji statue just behind me, but it's not visible due to the fog. We need to purchase the tickets from here. So let's go inside the temple. We have just purchased the tickets and we are finally inside the first part of the temple and you can see a beautiful Shiv Murti behind me. There are currencies of different countries of the people who have donated here.
नेपाल डबल पैसा મળે આપણે ઇન્ડિયા ના
અહીંયા લિસ્ટ બી લખેલું છે જો મે બી
સાઉથ સુદાન
The Shivji statue is visible from here now, which was not visible from the downstairs. It's a beautiful place and it's a huge statue. So don't worry, I'll cover the whole for you. There are 12 Jyotirlings also here and behind me you can see one of the dhams from Chardham.
चकार चण्ड ताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव
पिछले आधे घंटे से यहाँ पर धूप और बादल की जुगलबंदी चल रही थी, बट फाइनली अब बादल सारे जा चुके हैं एंड नाउ द वेदर इज अगेन सनी, सो द श्री शिवजी स्टैचू इज विजिबल फ्रॉम हियर. देयर इज अ टेम्पल इनसाइड द शिवजी's स्टैचू, so let's move there. Photography is not allowed there, so I'll just cover the outside view of this. That is Kedarnath that you can see just behind me, and that's Badrinath where I'm just pointing the finger now, and there is also Sai Baba temple. So this place includes all the Indian gods. So if you are not able to visit any of the Char Dhams or the famous Indian temples, you can visit this place. Right now we are at the Namchi ropeway and Sandrapse. The 2 points are adjacent to each other. So first we'll go Namchi ropeway and then to Sandrapse. I'll surely give you the aerial view from the ropeway. We are in the cable car right now and it's already started. Right now it's difficult for me to give you the aerial view of the surroundings because it's full of fog. Let me try to capture some snaps for you. There is a beautiful rock garden here, so we are gonna spend some time here, click some pics, and as we have purchased the return ticket, we'll again go by the ropeway to the same point from where we had boarded. Right now we are in Sandrup. Say the point is exactly opposite to the Namchi ropeway entrance, and it's a beautiful Buddha temple. I'll just flip my camera and show you the view of the Buddha temple. It's this way. It's this. The closing time of the temple is 5 o'clock and now it's 5:15, but still this good person called Sandup gave me a chance to cover the inner view of the temple. So special thanks to him.